This question came in an exam. How many marks can you get from this question? In this video, I'm going to answer all the questions that came in grade 9 external examination paper for computer studies. So watch this video up to the end as I'm going to go through the entire 2024 computer studies for external grade 9s. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. Don't forget to like and share this video. Without wasting your time, let's go into section. We come to section A. Section A has 20 marks. So section A carries 20 marks and the instructions are as follows. Answer all the questions. Mark your answers with a cross on the answer grid provided in the answer booklet. Okay, so basically what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to mark our answers on our answer booklet. So never should you use the question paper like I will be doing. Using the question paper to mark the answers for only demonstration as I teach, but during an exam you need to use the answer booklet, which has the answer grid, which is provided in the answer booklet. So please make sure you use that. Okay, basically that's what you need to do. Even section B, you use the answer booklet. There will be a provision where you write your answers, and section C just like that. Okay, so make sure you do the same thing until you finish the entire paper. Never should you write the answers in the question paper. Okay, with that being said, let's go to answering questions in section A. Question 1 was as follows. Portrait and landscape are page dash. Portrait and landscape are page dash. A. Lengths. B. Sizes. C. Organizations. D. Orientations. So, portrait and landscape are page orientations. So the correct answer is D. Orientations. We come to question 2, which is which key on the keyboard can be used to delete characters to the left of the cursor? Which key on the keyboard can be used to delete characters to the left of the cursor? A. Alt. B. Backspace. C. Control. D. Delete button. So the correct answer here is B. Backspace. Backspace. If you want to delete characters on the left of the cursor, you need to place backspace. We come to question 3, which is in PowerPoint, which view option is used to display the title and bullets only? In PowerPoint, which view option is used to display the title and bullets only? A. Navigation sorter view. B. Notes sorter view. C. Outline view. D. Slide view. The correct answer is B. Notes sorter view. Notes sorter view. The correct answer is B. Okay, we come to question 4. Dash is dragging a mouse while holding down the left button to select text. Dash is dragging a mouse while holding down the left button to select text. A. Activating. B. double clicking, C, highlighting, D, single click. The correct answer is C, highlighting, highlighting. Okay, we come to question 5. Question 5 is as follows. Which of the following is correct email address? Which of the following is a correct email address? Okay, we have got john@gmail.com, B, A, john@gmail.com, B, john@www.gmail.com, C, www.john.com, D, www.john@com. So the correct answer is A. A is the correct email address. Okay, so we come to number 6. Number 6. To copy a sentence from one document to another, the user should use dash in the second document. To copy a sentence from one document to another, the user should use dash in the second document. So, A, select the copy button, no. B, select the paste button, yes. C, select the cut button, no. D, select the move button, no. So, on the second document, you select paste, okay, button. On the first document, you can select either copy button or cut button. Okay, but here they are saying to copy a sentence from one document. So you use, on the first document, you use copy button. Then on the second document, you use select button. Okay, we go to question 7. Facebook is an example of a dash network. Facebook is an example of a dash network. A, local network, no. B, private network, no. C, social network, yes. D, wide network, no. The correct answer is C, social network. Okay, we come to question number 8. Question number 8 is as follows. To quickly bring back text deleted by mistake in a document, the dash can be used. To quickly bring back to quickly bring back text deleted by mistake in a document, the dash can be used. A, recycle bin. B, ruler guide. C, scroll bar. D, undo button. The correct answer is D, undo button. So when you delete text by mistake, you just press on undo button, then the deleted text will come back. Okay, we come to question number 9. The devices connected to a system unit of a computer are known as. The devices connected to a system unit of a computer are known as A, plugware, B, peripherals, C, gadgets, D, components. The correct answer is B, peripherals. Okay, so the devices connected to a system unit of a computer are known as peripherals. Okay, we come to question number 10, which is dash displays the name of the application program and the document which is currently in use. Dash displays the name of the application program and the document which is currently in use. A, menu button. B, scroll button. C, title bar. D, toolbar. So the correct answer is C, title So if you want to know the name of the application or program and the document which is currently in use, you check on the title bar. You check on the title bar. Okay, come to question 11. Question 11 is as follows. Name the device shown in the following picture. Name the device shown in the following picture. Okay, so A, scanner, B, plotter, C, projector, D, printer. So the correct answer is that is a projector. That is a projector, which is C. Okay, we come to question 12. Question 12 is as follows. The text and pictures that appear in the background of a document are called. The text and pictures that appear in the background of a document are called A. Clip art, B. Picture mark, C. Art, D. Watermark. They are called watermark. Watermark. We come to question 13. Question 13 is as follows. Dash is the main screen area on the computer system. Dash is the main screen area on the computer system. A. Desktop, B. Text bar, C. Window, D. Window bar. So the correct answer is D. Sorry, the correct answer is A, which is desktop. Okay, the correct answer is A, which is desktop. Okay, so desktop is the main screen area on the computer system. Okay, we come to question 14. Question 14 is as follows. Question 14 is as follows. What name is given to the message that appears suddenly on the screen when using a web browser? What name is given to the message that appears suddenly on the screen when using a web browser? A. Desktop message, B. Monitor message, C. Pop-up message, D. Screen message. The correct answer is C. Pop-up message. That is pop-up message. If you are doing something on the computer and there is an advert that comes up or any message that comes up, that is a pop-up message. Okay, we come to question 15. Question 15 is as follows. The health problem that may be caused by prolonged use of computer is. The health problem that may be caused by prolonged use of computer is A. Headache, B. Infection, C. Influenza, D. Malaria. Okay, so prolonged use of computer will cause headache. Okay, not infection. Okay, and influenza no, malaria no. Okay, these are caused by bacteria. But if you spend a lot of time looking at a computer because of light intensity that is different from the environment, depending on the environment you're using, this may end up causing headache. Okay, we come to 16, which is the refresh button is used to dash the screen. The refresh button is used to dash the screen. So A. Close a screen, B. Minimize the screen, B. Maximize the screen, C. Minimize the screen, D. Update the screen. So the correct answer is D. The refresh button is used to update the screen. Okay, so immediately you refresh, you place the refresh button, it is going to update the screen in whatever activities it is doing. It will update the screen. Okay, we come to question 17. Files on a computer are stored in a dash. Files on a computer are stored in a dash. A. Menu bar. B. Folder. C. Drawer. D. Document. So files on a computer are stored in a folder. So we store files in a folder. You can have a folder for music, folder for documents, folder for when I say document, I mean Word documents, anything, songs, they can be stored in a folder. Okay, you can have folder for music, folder for pictures, so just like that. Okay, we come to question 18. Dash is a collection of web pages and related content. Dash is a collection of web pages and related content. Okay, A. Home. B. Internet. C. Network. D. Website. Okay, Dash is a collection of web pages and related content. A. Home. B. Internet. C. Network. D. Website. So the correct answer is D. Website. Website is a collection of web pages and related content. Okay, that is D. 18, D. 19, we come to question 19. Question 19 is, which of the following is fast in accessing data and has a large storage space? Which of the following is fast in accessing data and has a large storage space? Registers and A. Optical disc. B. Memory card. C. Magnetic tape. D. Flash disk. The correct answer is flash disk. So registers and flash disk. Okay, we come to question 20. Question 20 is as follows. How can multiple choice examination questions be marked automatically? By using the dash. How can multiple choice examination questions be marked automatically? By using the dash. A. Multiple choice marker. B. Multiple choice leader. C. Optical collector marker. B. Optical mark leader. Okay, so the correct answer is D. Optical mark leader. Okay, so basically those were the answers for the multiple choice. If you have got questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Otherwise, encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Please, if you have found this video helpful so far, you can also share with your friends. Remember, sharing is caring. We would really appreciate your effort to spread our channel so that it can reach out to many people that needs such revisions. We come to section B, which has got 20 marks. So under section B, we're going to work under the following instructions. There are 15 questions in this section. Answer all the questions in this section by using one word or short phrase. Write all your answers in the answer booklet provided. So I've talked about this at the beginning of the video, where I need you to be writing your answers in your, where the examiners or the ECZ want you to write your answers in the answer booklet. So make sure you write your answers in the answer booklet, not anywhere else. Okay, so with that being said, let's go and answer the questions. Question 1 is as follows. Dash are raw figures entered in the computer. Dash are raw figures entered in the computer. Dash are raw figures entered in the computer. So the correct answer there is data. Data are raw figures entered in the computer. Number 2, which is dash and dash, are two types of user interface. Dash and dash are two types of user interface. Okay, so the first answer there is graphical user interface, which is abbreviated as GUI, and command line interface, which is abbreviated as CLI, are two types of user interface. Okay, we come to question 3. Question 3 is as follows. Dash is an example of an dash software used for creating, formatting, and editing letters on a computer. Dash is an example of an dash software used for creating, formatting, and editing letters on a computer. So there we can say Word or word processor, but Word is okay. So Word is an example of an application. There on dash we put application software used for creating, formatting, and editing letters on a computer. Number 4, which is dash, is an example of external storage device. Dash is an example of an external storage device. So any external device you can put it as an answer. So the most common one recently is flash. Okay, a flash is an example of an external storage device. Or you can say a memory card. A memory card is an example of an external storage device. So these two answers will be correct. You can write CDs, DVDs, all these answers will be correct. Okay, these are external storage devices. We come to question 5, which is the passing along of an email message to someone else is known as. The passing along of an email message to someone else is known as forwarding. Okay, so it's not only email. You can forward a message, a text message, you can forward a video message, anything. You can forward a WhatsApp message. So if you receive a message and you send it to someone else, that is forwarding. Okay, we come to question number 6. Question number 6 is as follows. Two devices that have digital cameras are dash and dash. Two devices that have digital camera are dash and dash. Today, many devices have got digital cameras. So some example of those are smartphones. Let me start with a common one. Smartphone, the phones we use, they have got digital camera. So smartphone, the laptop, we have seen a laptop with a webcam or just come with the inbuilt camera. Okay, so I have said smartphone and webcam. So the question is asking us to mention 2. I'll give you the extra one. We can also talk about the tablets. We see tablets with the cameras. Okay, we see tablets with cameras. All those things are devices that have cameras. Okay, digital cameras. We come to question 7, which is alarms on doors and windows are a form of computer dash. Alarms on doors and windows are a form of computer dash. Alarms on doors and windows are a form of computer dash. So alarms on doors and windows are a form of computer security. So those doors and alarms are computerized. Anything that will trigger the alarm to sound, it will sound. So they are computerized. Okay, all right, so that is computer security. Okay, we come to question 8. Question 8 is as follows. A computer has a fan inside the system box to cool down the dash and dash. A computer has a fan inside the system box that cool down the dash and dash. So the correct answer is 1. The fan cools down the motherboard, and the other component is processor. So we can say A computer has a fan inside the system box to cool down the motherboard and the processor. To cool down the motherboard and the processor. We come to question 9. Question 9 is the dash command shows a user how a document would appear before printing it. The dash command shows a user how a document would appear before printing it. Okay, so when you have typed or you have made a document, what will help you to see how the document will look after printing? That is the print preview. Print preview. So when you go on print, you see on the right side of the screen there will be a document showing it, is showing how it's going to come out. Okay, that is print preview. Okay, we come to question 10, which is in Excel, a dash is a group of cells. In Excel, a dash is a group of cells. What do we call a group of cells in Excel? What do we call a group of cells in Excel? So, excuse me, that is range or list. It is called range or list. So we are saying in Excel, a range is a group of cells. In Excel, a list is a group of cells. So if you write range or you write list, your answer will be correct. Okay, we come to question 11. Question 11. Please, if I'm too fast, you can still ask in the comment section. I don't want this video to consume a lot of your time. So question 11 is as follows. A program menu consists of dash. The user can select to carry out the task. A program menu consists of dash. The user can select to carry out task. So the correct answer there on 11 is the common one is options. Okay, a program menu consists of options. The user can select to carry out the task. So the options, and the other way that can fit there is choices. Choices, which is also can simply mean list of commands. So a program menu consists of list of commands the user can select to carry out task. Okay, 12. Question 12 is as follows. Dash is the process that deletes everything on a flash disk before it can be used again. Dash is the process that deletes everything on a flash disk before it can be used again. The correct answer on 12 is formatting. Okay, so before you use the flash, you are going to format the flash so that you put the new things. Okay, when you format, it becomes as if it's new, and then you start putting the items or the media in the flash again so that you can start using it. Okay, so that is 12. We have got the correct answer is formatting. We come to question 13. Question 13 is as follows. The letters CPU stand for dash and the letters DVD stand for dash. Okay, that is question 13. The letters CPU stand for dash and the letters DVD stand for dash. Okay, so for the letters CPU, this stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. And DVD, the letters DVD stand for Digital Versatile Disk. Digital Versatile Disk. Okay, these abbreviations, they stand for that. Okay, we go to question 14. Question 14 is before text is pasted, it is temporarily held in the dash of the computer's memory. Before text is pasted, it is temporarily held in the dash of the computer's memory. Okay, so the correct answer for 14, before the text is pasted, it is temporarily held in the clipboard of the computer's memory. So when you copy or cut the text, it will be kept under clipboard memory of the, it will be held in the clipboard of the computer's memory. Okay, so the correct answer there is clipboard. Okay, come to question 15. Question 15 is, the letters dash stand for wireless local area network. The letters dash stand for wireless local area network. This one is simple. All you need to do is just get first letters starting from here going this side. So WLAN. Okay, that is WLAN. That is the correct answer there. WLAN is stand for wireless local area network. Okay, so we have come to the end of section B. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We encourage you to do that. And don't forget also to follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. We are going to be grateful if you follow us on those platforms. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video up to this far. Please, we encourage you to watch this video up to the end. Remember, sharing is caring, so don't forget to share this video. Okay, we come to section C. Section C has got 30 marks. Section C has got 30 marks, and the instructions are as follows. There are 5 questions in this section. Answer all the questions in the answer booklet provided. Okay, so you make sure that your answers are written in the answer booklet that will be provided with you. I'm sure you should have the answer booklet with you. If you don't have, please raise your hand and ask for answer booklet. Okay, mostly it comes in the middle of the question paper. Question 1 was as follows. The companies sometimes use emails and ordinary post to send letters and documents to customers. Okay, question 1A was as follows. What do the letters CC in email stand for? CC stand for carbon copy. CC stand for carbon copy. Okay, we come to question 1B. State 2 advantages of sending documents by email. State 2 advantages of sending documents by email. Okay, so the first one is when you send document through email, that is the quickest. Okay, you have a document here and there is good network, and then you send, and where this email is going, there is good network. It's just the matter of seconds. The document will be received by the person intended to receive, so it's quicker. The first point is it's quicker. Okay, then the second point is when you're sending this email to, you want to send the same message to 1,000 people. If you have created your email list, okay, it's just you send it through clicking one button. So you can say it is easy to send the same email to several people. The same email to many people. It's easier to send the same email to many people. Okay, if you will decide to send them letters, that means you will need a lot of time to package those letters. You will need a lot of time to make sure that you address the letter to the same person, to the name of that person, or you write the different addresses on the envelopes as you are sending, which can consume a lot of time compared to sending through email. Okay, so the 1 to 2, I'll give you 3. Then it is when you are trying to send the information to the people document, you don't have to move. You just be in the same room. There's no need for you to move out of the office going somewhere. Just within the comfort of your office, you can send the email. Within the comfort of your home, you can send the email to many people. So that is the other advantage. Okay, we know that moving around is tiresome. So when moving is not an option, then sending through email it would be the best thing you can do. Okay, we come to question 1C. Give a feature of an email program. Give a feature of an email program. What does an email program has? Among all the features the email program has, they just want us to give one feature. Okay, so among the features that the email has, it has got date and time. So the email program will show the date and time the email was sent, the email was received. Okay, it will show that. Okay, then the other one, it will also show you the sender, the person who sent you an email. It will show. So those are the two things I can share with you. You can pick one. The time and date, that means the date and time, yeah, as well as the sender. It will show you the sender, where the email is coming from. We come to 1G, which is give 2 reasons why ordinary post might be used instead of email. Okay, give 2 reasons why ordinary post might be used instead of email. Okay, so here, why should you prefer ordinary post? Okay, so the first reason is if document is lost, it is easy to claim compensation. Okay, if document is lost, it's easy to claim compensation. Then 2, very large documents can be sent. Okay, so here we are talking about give 2 reasons why ordinary post might be used instead of email. So why do you need to put in an envelope? So we are saying in an envelope we can send large documents using ordinary post. Okay, for instance, you have got a document that is about 10 GB that you want to send. You use that, it will be easy compared to using an email. Okay, then we said 1, if a document is lost, it is easy to claim compensation. Okay, so for instance, if you send using that, it will be easier for you to get compensation. If you send through ordinary post, you can claim compensation once the document is lost. Then the other one I said is very large documents can also be sent. Okay, the third one is legal documents can be sent. Okay, so when you're using ordinary post, you can send legal documents. Okay, emails, they are okay, but sometimes when they are hacked, that means sensitive documents may be exposed or may be retrieved by people who are not supposed to have them. Okay, so those are the 3 reasons. Okay, you can pick 2 and write those 2. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, remember to like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we also encourage you to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Question 2 was as follows. A school club creates newsletters for its members using a computer. A school club creates newsletters for its members using a computer. Okay, that is the statement. Now the actual questions are, name the software used to make the newsletters. Name the software used to make the newsletters. So A, we can say desktop publisher, or we can just say publisher. Okay, so publisher or desktop publisher. Okay, question 2B, Explain how a picture of a school could be added to the newsletter. Explain how a picture of the school could be added to the newsletter. Okay, so to add the picture of the school to a newsletter, what we need to do is the school photo is imported, okay, or copied and then inserted or pasted into the newsletter. So this school photo should be in the computer, okay, whichever photo you put in, then you go on import, or you copy the photo and paste it on the newsletter, okay, or you import it and insert it on the newsletter. Okay, once you have done that, then the next thing you need to do is you adjust or resize the photo. So depending on the size you want, or the size the design will allow so that it looks nice, then you resize that photo according to the size that will be presentable. Then after that, then you save. Okay, that way, that's how you can add the photo on the school photo on the newsletter. Okay, we come to question 2C, which is, apart from a picture of a school, name two other sources of graphics that can be added to the newsletter. Apart from the picture of a school, name two other sources of graphics that can be added to the newsletter. Okay, so the other, when you want to add the graph there, where can you get those other things? Okay, you can get from the graphs. Okay, you have got graphs, you copy and then paste on the, you can also get from the CD. Okay, the CD, I'm sure you know the discs. Then you can also download from the internet. Once you have downloaded something from the internet, then you can put it there. So I've given you three. They want to. One, from the graphics. If you have got graphics, then you can get from the graphics. Two, from the CD. You can get also from the CD and paste it there. Then you can also download the media from internet and you put it there. Okay, so those are the three sources that you can get from. You can pick two and write them. Okay, come to question 2D, which is, give one reason why the school newsletter could be printed in color. Why should the school newsletter be printed in color? Okay, so one, pictures and graphics looks good with the color. Okay, so if you have got graphs, you can give each graph a different color, and then when you print them in colored, that means they will have even a good appearance. Okay, then we can also they want 1 point. We can also write, for the graphs and school pictures to be seen properly, for clarity sake, so that people, they are not confused. You can use color so that there is clarity. Okay, so basically those are the two reasons. You can write one of those and you get a mark for each reason you give. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you found this video helpful, remember to like and share with your friends. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Okay. Question 3 is as follows. Study the picture below and answer the questions that follow. Study the picture below and answer the questions that follow. Okay, we have got click add title, we have got click add subtitle, and we can see someone working there, and we can see the symbols there. There is no volume. Then you can play it. Then there is that shown there. Okay, so the question is, question 3A is, name the application program in the picture above. Name the application program in the picture above. So the application program in the picture above is Microsoft PowerPoint, or you can also call it PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentation. You can either call it as Microsoft PowerPoint or PowerPoint presentation. You can call it Microsoft PowerPoint or PowerPoint presentation. Okay, we come to question 3A2. What name is given to the box where a title and subtitle can be added? What name is given to the boxes where a title and subtitle can be added? So the name given to those two boxes are place order. Place order. Those boxes are called place orders. Okay, so we come to question 3B. What is labeled X? What is labeled X? So when you go on the diagram there, that which is labeled X is what? So that is sound, or we can call it sound, or we can call it speaker, or we can say audio. Okay, so all those three, sound, speaker, or audio, all those three are accepted. Okay, then we come to question 3C. Apart from charts and graphs, mention one other item that can be added on the page of the application shown. Apart from charts and graphs, mention other item that can be added on the page of the application shown. Okay, so there, what you can add there, you can also add videos. You can also add videos. So you can also add videos there. Okay, we come to question 3D. Question 3D is give two uses of the application program shown in the picture. Two uses of PowerPoint. Give two uses of PowerPoint. So the first use of PowerPoint is presentation in workshops and meeting. We use PowerPoint to present our ideas or our ideas in the meeting. Okay, or you can also show data, like you want to show how many people sat for exams and how many passed. Then you can use PowerPoint to show that to your audience. Okay, and you can also use PowerPoint when you are teaching. You present a lesson to the pupils using PowerPoint. Whatever you want to explain, you can use that. As long as you have got the laptop, as well as for the presentation, as well as you have got the projector, then that can also be used. But you can also use computer without projector, as long as you call the learners, maybe a few number of learners, they come in front, then you demonstrate using the computer. Okay, as the screen is small and learners, they need to be so close to for them to get all the details. Okay, then we come to the third point. They are saying we state two, so I'll give you three. The other one is also for multimedia lesson. You can use this one for multimedia lesson. Multimedia lessons. So you can use the PowerPoint for multimedia lessons. Okay, so those are the three answers. You can pick two and will be accepted in an exam. Please, if you have got questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Okay, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to do justice by liking and follow. Please don't forget also to watch another video at the end of this video. Question 4 was as follows. The following picture shows part of a design of a worksheet in Excel containing data about a tuck shop. So you need to take time and study the diagram. Okay, so we have got item name, cost price, selling price, number sold, total profit per item. Okay, so the question is question 4A, or the questions are as follows. Question 4A is A. Write two cells addresses where text can be entered. Write two cells where write two cell addresses where text can be entered. Okay, so where text can be entered, we have got A2 and A3. So in A2 and A3, that's where cells can be entered. Now remember, our answer is depending on the diagram given. Okay, here. Okay, now if we have got we are D3, 4 going downwards, then we could have a variety of answers. Since they are the same two, if we are reaching up to 8, we could say 7 and 8. It's okay. But now the diagram is just showing us 1 up to 3. So the cells where letters will be entered or text will be entered is A2 and A3. Okay, we come to question 4b, which is write one cell addresses that can contain numbers. Write one cell address that can contain numbers. Okay, so the cell that can contain numbers, so we have many cells here. Okay, so we have got starting from B up to F. These cells can contain numbers. Okay, cell 23 of B, cell 23 of C, cell 23 of D, cell 23 of E, cell 23 of F. These, they can all have numbers. So you can just choose whichever we want. Okay, so you can say, without wasting time, you can say B2 and B3. B2 and B3. Okay, these, they can contain numbers. Okay, B2 and B3. So you can even say C2 and C3. All answers will be correct. So since they want to, I'm just going to say B2 and B3. Okay. Sorry, the question is saying write one cell address that can contain numbers. So you can just even say B2, one cell, that is B2. Okay, B2, they just want one, so I'll say B2. Okay, we come to 4C, which is how many rows are shown in the spreadsheet above. How many rows? Okay, so rows, those are lines that lie horizontally. Are those lines that lie horizontally? So we have got 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rows. There are 3 rows. Okay. We come to question 4D, which is write two formula that can work out the total profit per item. Write two formulas that can work out the total profit per items. So we can say total profit per item. So we can say we have got the selling price, then the profit, number sold. Okay, so we can have something like equals D2 star, that is multiplication, E2. Okay, D2, that's where the profit is written. D2, that is the profit. Then E, that is let's say under D1, that is profit. So when you write the profit of D2 of the item in the row of D2, then multiply by the number of items sold, then you multiply. So we write equals D2 multiplied by E2. Then will give us the total profit. Okay, will give us the total profit under F. Or you can also say D3 times E3. Okay, when you put the star there, you are multiplying. So you multiply the profit made in D3 times the number of items sold in E3. Then to give you the total profit. Okay, so basically that's how, those are the two formulas that you can write. Okay, if you have got questions, please you can ask in the comment section. Otherwise, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Question 5 was as follows. The following table shows tasks and the suitable software to carry them out. A few have been filled in for you. Complete the remaining. Okay, the following table shows tasks and the suitable software to carry them out. A few have been filled in for you. Complete the remaining. So we have got this column for task and the other column for software. So when you're performing a task mentioned under software, you tell us the software you're going to use. So we write the software we're going to use. So when we are typing and editing letters, what software are we going to use? We're going to use word processor. We're going to use word processor. You can also write word. So both answers will give you 1 mark. So you can write word processor or just word. Number 2, finding information on the internet. When you are finding information on the internet, you are going to use internet browser like Chrome or Google, Bingo. You can also use Safari. There are so many internet browsers, and that depends on the equipment you are using, computer, and the availability of the software. But there are so many internet browsers. So we come to number 3, keeping records of customers. We can use database system. The software is in database system. Number 4, when you are using PowerPoint, what are you going to do with PowerPoint? What is the use of PowerPoint? So we use PowerPoint to make presentations. So we use PowerPoint to make presentations. Okay, what about publisher? So what do we use publisher for? We use publisher to make magazines, calendars, and create flyers. We use publisher to make calendars, magazines, as well as creating flyers. So all those are the tasks you can do using publisher. Okay, we come here, creating graphs. When you want to make graphs, what are you going to use? So you can use spreadsheet. Creating graphs, you can use spreadsheet, or better still, you can say Excel. You can use spreadsheet, or better still, you can say Excel. So if you write Excel and someone else writes spreadsheet, you have all gained some marks. That is, you have gained 1 mark as well. Both of you have gained 1 mark. The one who have written Excel and the one who have written spreadsheet, both have gained 1 mark. Okay,